what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. I'm going to make a quick video running through the test. She's doing her driving test in 2 days, so we're going to be practicing and then doing the test. So, what is new at the DMV? So, okay, before we get into the information, this is news hour, right, ma'am? Before I get into the information, please like the video, share the videos, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For the people that are watching, I'm gonna thank you again for your support. The channel is growing. Keep watching, help me grow the channel. Okay, so the DMV is ever changing. One day they're in the car, the next day they're not in the car. One day you need someone in the car with you, the next day you don't. Presently, you need someone in the car with you. If you don't have a license from your country, you need someone in the car with you that is 21 or older with a driver's license. That is what they are doing now. Currently, it is what date is today?
Today is the 16th.
Okay, today is the 16th, August 16th. As of today, you need someone in the car with you. You cannot do the test by yourself. The examiners are calling you from outside. And this is South Florida, by the way, because I get asked, is it the same in Jacksonville? Is it the same in whatever parts of Florida? I can only speak for South Florida. I am in South Florida, and I keep saying that. I am in Broward County, Florida. And really, definitively, that's the only place I can be 100% sure about. South Florida generally have the same tests everywhere.
Yes.
But I'm only sure about South Florida because this is where I live. This is where I work. So my information is primarily about Broward County, but you know, whatever I show is going to be similar everywhere in Florida, if not exactly the same. All right? Anyway, let's get into it. So they're going to ask you, if you're parked facing uphill, what direction do you turn the steering wheel?
You turn the steering wheel away from the curve.
So left away from the curve.
Left away from the curve.
What else do you do?
Then you pull your handbrake up.
Put the car in park first.
Put the car in park.
Pull up your handbrake.
Pull up your handbrake and turn off the ignition.
Okay, cool. So they're gonna ask you that. They're gonna expect you to know that. Then they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. Signal left. Signal right. Blow the horn. Right here. And press and release the brake. So they're gonna make sure that the brakes are working. So you press it, release it. They're gonna be back there checking to make sure all the lights are working. Brake lights, turn signal lights, horn. Alright, then they're gonna be over there, like I said, they're gonna call you on the phone. By the way, whoever is sitting with you cannot say a word. If they say one word, your test will end. So remember that. Remember that. Alright, they're gonna tell you to reverse and go to the left. So reverse, go to the left. Look behind. Roll back until your mirror gets to the end of the line. And look back though, you gotta look back. When your mirror gets to the end of the line, I want you to stop and turn the wheel all the way to the right. Alright, turn right, all the way right. Right, that's left. Turn right. All the way to the right. And look behind and reverse. Keep looking behind, keep going back. Alright, stop here. Put the car in drive. And I want you to wait for this person to get out. And then we're going to pull up. You see the tree there? We're going to straighten up going that way. And stop by the tree because they're going to have you stop there and reverse. Alright. Put the car in drive. You're in drive already? Alright, roll forward. Turn the wheel all the way left. Left. All the way left.
Left?
Yeah.
Okay.
Release your brake and roll forward. So we're gonna pull up next to the tree over on the right side. Right side. Alright. So you're going to stop about here. Make sure the car is straight here, right? Because they're gonna tell you to reverse in a straight line. So make sure the wheel is straight. Look at the steering wheel. No, not outside. The steering wheel. steering wheel.
Oh.
Right there, yes. You're looking outside. Okay, look behind you. Put the car in reverse. And they're gonna ask you to roll straight back. So look behind. Don't use the mirror. They don't want you using the mirror.
So you have to
They want you to literally look back. So look in the middle here. Look over your shoulder. This way.
Yeah.
This way. That way.
That way?
Yes. And keep the wheel straight and just roll straight back. Make sure it's straight though. Look at the wheel. Make sure it's straight. Like that. And go straight back. And then they're gonna tell you to go back until they say stop. So stop about here. Now they're gonna ask you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. Put the car in drive. Speed up to 20 miles per hour and do a sudden stop. Okay. Let's go back again because these people are backing out.
Yeah.
So reverse. It's almost as if they waited until we decide to speed
because
up
I was
to
like,
reverse.
why are the person coming out when I'm moving?
Okay, go back some more. Reverse.
So you let the car just roll.
You let it roll. Yeah, don't press no gas or nothing. Just do it at idle speed. Alright, that's good enough. Stop. You just have to make sure that when you're backing up, your wheel is straight. You see, right now you have the wheel turned to the left. Make sure it's straight like that. Alright, put the car in drive again. Speed up to 20 and do a sudden start. Go ahead, speed up. 20. Push it down. Just make sure you're straight. Push it down. Faster than that. And stop. Hard. Okay, like that. They want you to do that, right? Now we're gonna make a left turn. So signal left. And we're gonna go down. We're gonna wait for this black car to get out of the way, but we're gonna go up.
Is it that they're teaching someone?
Well, they're trying to practice, but they don't know what they're practicing. They're just practicing anything, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so stay in your right lane, then we're gonna go down and park. Stay close to the right. The closer you are to the right,
The better.
the easier it is to park. I know you've heard me repeat that a million times. Keep going though. Why are you looking at them? Don't worry about them. Just keep going. They're not interfering with us at all. So we're gonna go down and line up your mirror with the first cone here. Line up your mirror like that. See that? Signal left. Turn the steering wheel all the way left until it stops. All the way until it stops. This is the parking, right?
Yeah.
This works. You line up your mirror with the cone, turn all the way left, and then you roll forward. And when you get into the middle, you're gonna stop and straighten the wheel. Or straighten the wheel. You don't have to stop, but I find it works easier when you're first learning to just straighten the wheel. Right there, straight in. Straighten the wheel right here, right there, and pull straight in. You see what I mean? This is like perfect. It's 100% really, but I can't show it. Okay, so that's it. Alright, reverse, straight back. So you're gonna look back as you reverse. Wait for this black car again.
You're back behind.
Go ahead. Alright. So as soon as your mirror is past the cone here,
Past the cone.
then you're going to stop, turn all the way to the right, all the way right, and reverse, straight back. Look behind you. When your mirror is past the middle here, see the middle, like that? When the mirror is past the middle, so back up some more, back up, like that. You're gonna stop about there, alright?
Okay.
Put the car in drive. And we're gonna pull up next to the white line on the right side. So turn left, all the way left. Come on, all the way left. Release your brake. Go close to the right side. Go close to the right line. Come on, and straighten the wheel here. Straighten the wheel. And then they're gonna tell you to stop. Don't cross the line. Go close to it without going over it like that. And then stop about here. And then they're gonna ask you to do the 3-point turn. So it's 3-point turn. Signal left. Turn the steering wheel all the way left until it stops. And then look over there and go and stop before you hit that curve. just a touch more. Put the car in reverse. All the way to the right.
Turn the
wheel all the way right. Yeah, you're doing the 3-point turn. So turn all the way to the right. Look behind and reverse. And look over your left shoulder also. When you mirror past the middle again, go back a little bit more. Again, like that. The mirror is past the middle, you stop here. Put the car back in drive. Signal left, turn all the way left. All the way left. Go ahead, turn the wheel. And then roll straight back. Now go forward. Sorry, go ahead, keep going forward. Alright, so we're gonna pull up to this stop sign over here. And then we're gonna come to a complete stop. Okay, stop completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead, turn. See this bush in the road here? Don't run over that, obviously. Go ahead. Go into your right lane. Let go off the brakes. Just let it roll, though. You're not pressing any gas, but you can't be on the brake. You understand?
Yes.
It's idle speed, so you don't need to be on the brake at all.
That's what I realized.
Signal left here. Yeah, just let it roll at idle speed. You don't need any gas.
Only time you need gas is when
you're doing the speed up.
Speed up.
Yeah, for the rest of this test, honestly, you can literally do it in idle speed. Alright, so the examiner will walk up to your car here and stop. And they'll tell you to stop. Put the car in park. And the test ends here. Yeah, that's all that there is on the test. So they'll end the test about here. They'll hand you the paper that says you passed the driving test, and that will be it. So, how do you think you did during this practice?
Not so bad, but I need a few little touches.
Okay, yeah, I would agree. So this is her first time practicing today. It's not her first time practicing the test, period, but it's her first time today. So we're gonna continue to practice, and she's gonna pass her test in like 2 days.
Yes.
I'm pretty sure she'll pass her test. So when she passed the test, I'll put it in the description how she did. Alright, so the test ends here, and that's it for today. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video.